Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your console right here on your Xbox. So let's just go right into your settings. In your settings, what we have to look for is our third option where it says system. Under system we're going to choose our second option where it says update. Once we go into there, just select the top part where it says update console. We're going to select that and then we're going to get started with updating. Now depending on which update you're running, it might take longer than others. So this one is only about half a gig. So for most of you, this will only take 5 minutes. Other sticks could be even faster than that. And for those of you who have really slow internet, well, get ready to wait up because this could take an entire day for some people. But that's assuming you have extremely slow internet because half a gig isn't that much. Anyways, let's just get started. Press on start update. And right now, just make sure not to turn off your Xbox. Don't touch it at all. So right now, just make sure the most important thing is for it not to be turned off. So nobody can knock into the cable from your Xbox and unplug it for any reason, because that's when mistakes and big glitches can happen. For now, we're just gonna let it run. This again will just be a few minutes. So during the process, your Xbox will in fact restart. So don't worry about it. Even if you see it at the second line going and then it restarts, that's totally normal. It's gonna restart and then it's gonna keep going with the update with the third line, which is the last one. So just about after 3 minutes, it should all be done. We are all good to go. Right now, this is done. We're done with the setup. We can go back into our settings and check if there's any other updates. However, it should be all fine at this point. So if we go to system, updates, we should see no console update available. That's exactly what we want to see. We can go always and click on latest console update status and see this as well. Anyways, for now, we're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate.